Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to refund someone on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and give someone a refund just because they weren't pleased with their product. How do you actually go ahead and refund someone on eBay? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your eBay account, then click on sell, then click on all orders. And then from here, you want to click on the order which you want to go ahead and refund. So let's take this first order right over here, for example. Click on these three dots. And then once you scroll down, there is going to be an option that says send refund. So click on that. And then once you click on send refund, you can enter the refund amount. So you can either do a partial refund or you can do a full refund. So if you want to refund the total amount here, you can enter that amount and then click on next. But there you have it, guys. That right there is how to refund someone on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.